Carmi, this is a nice DJ Steve with
Salute.
Thank you, Rocco.
Thank you, Rocco.
Salute.
I believe that you should treat people the way that you want to be treated. Didn't Jesus say that in some?
Amen.
And I think also always take a favor over money. I think Jesus said that as well.
But I don't know if you said the second one, but you might have said the first one.
I chip them moving furniture. It's my new obsession. Moving, redecorating. It makes me feel better, like exercise. But there's this top coat that you can only get from Switzerland, and I don't know what I'm gonna do because I'm running out of it. But I love the smell of it. Irvin, I can't get enough of it. That would be amazing. There's something. The top coat. It's like perfumey, but there's also something rotten. And I know that sounds crazy, but I can't get enough of it. I smell it. It's true. Dolly, historically, the best perfumes in the world, they're all laced with something nasty and foul. It is true. It is true. Irving loves them.
Oh my
God. You can't get enough of that smell.
Can't get enough.
Carmine, smell her nails.
Sweet and sour.
Smell her nails.
Rotten and delicious.
It smells like flowers.
Flowers, but with garbage. And
Like sour.
Yeah.
Flowers. You know what that is for me? It's coriander for me. It's
But
coriander.
Irv loves it. He can't get enough. That's what hooks you. He always comes back for it.
Yeah.
I can't stop.
I don't know if I'd have a good time.
Oh,
Look
you
at
do.
it.
She's so nice.
He's gonna say, we have to talk business. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Dolly.
Can me and the man talk about business here?